Hello everyone, I am Golden Ashwini. I am here to present use of computers and IT in management control. So only with accurate and timely information can a manager monitor progress towards their goal and turn plans into reality. Information system enables manager to control how they do business. The computer plays a vital part in the control of business operation. So information itself is a valuable asset, one that needs to be carefully managed and protected. Then what are the use of computers in management control? First one is sales forecast and control. So the computer can prepare an estimate of future sales called sales forecast from sales data. It can be programmed to read and calculate huge historical sales data. The marketing department can make predictions about business cycle which are useful in planning, advertising, campaign, stock retailers, tooling up assembly lines and contracting with suppliers. Then the second one is payroll. The computer can process a firm payroll. It can be programmed to read payroll record, calculating earnings, deductions and withholding and print out paychecks. Computerized payroll systems can handle hourly or salaried payroll and commission payment. Then the third one is business management. The computer can provide report and data for management, inventory sales, analysis and credit analysis can be calculated. Then the fourth one is accounting. A comprehensive accounting system can be put on the computer by using electronically stored ledgers in the machine. So the computer can print out customers' billing, taxes, report, profit and loss statements, balance sheet, and other financial information records internally and externally. Then the fifth one is personal management information. The computer can provide management with data on the composition of its personnel. So it can print out the information on the job classification and personal capabilities and can list employees by department, by salary schedule or by both. Then sixth one is cost accounting. The computer can print out an analysis of production cost. It can be programmed to perform routing of cost accounting task with budgeted hourly costs on individual machine rates and overhead figures. Then the seventh one is manufacturing information control. The computer is used in the manufacture and the production of goods. It can provide ordering, warehousing and cost data based on odd numbers or bills leading. The computer can schedule work for an assembly line based upon labor available by shift. It can print out a list of equipments and material needs for the line for a given and predict output. The saved information in the machine can then report the number and unity produced and provides a follow for cost data. Last one is banking and credit. So the computer is used in the finance, credit and collection industry. It can process deposit, commercial and consumer loans, revolving charges, accounting for banks and department stores. Okay, these are the use of computers in management control. Then IT in management control. Nowadays, a management needs more advanced technology for solving its basic requirements. So, Management Information System (MIS) is a information technology (IT) which is explored for its maximum usage in management activities such as planning, organizing, and controlling. And also, most of the organizations have the confidential and sensitive information that they do not want to become general knowledge. So, information technology plays a vital role in controlling and safeguarding such information. Okay, this is IT, information technology in management control. Thank you. Thanks for listening.